Welcome. I am Marilyn Ocasio. I am here today with credit expert Armando Sanchez. He is the owner and founder of Empire Credit Restoration. Hello, Armando, and thank you so much for being here today.
Hi, Marilyn. Thank you so much for having me. This is a lot of fun.
So tell us, Armando, what is credit restoration?
Well, credit restoration is the removal of incomplete and inaccurate damaging information from your credit report with the goal of raising your credit scores.
So if credit restoration improves my credit score, can that also save me money?
Well, of course, because your credit score is the indicator of the risk you are to the lender. So if you have a high credit score, what happens is that means a lower risk, thus a lower interest rate. And vice versa, if your credit scores are low, higher risk, and the lender's expecting more return on their investment. And then you can also have a credit score so low that you won't be able to secure any type of financing.
So realistically, can't an individual make certain phone calls and write some letters and resolve this by themselves?
Absolutely. A person has the right to work on restoring their own credit. However, I just think it's just better to hire an expert that has experience in the expertise so they can do it quicker and better for you.
Yes, that is a very good point. However, there are so many credit repair companies out there. So what makes Empire any different than these other companies?
Well, what makes Empire Credit Restoration different are twofold. The first thing is, in our industry, we have basically two types of pricing model. And one pricing model is the monthly installment model, where you pay up to $199 a month for the duration while they work on your credit. Now, the only problem with that pricing model that I found is that there's no incentive for the company that provides that pricing model for them to clean up your credit as quickly as possible. In fact, if you think about it, the longer you are in their program, the more money they make. Our pricing model is different. What we do is we provide the performance model. What happens is that we charge you only after we remove any negative information from your credit report. Secondly is we don't only help you with your credit, we also teach you about credit as well.
That's great that you teach about credit as well. That is absolutely wonderful. But if you say that you talk about how long it takes, and I just want to ask you, how long does the process take and how much does it cost?
Okay, well, look, each credit report is as different as each individual. That's why we give a free no obligation consultation so we can take a look and evaluate to even assess if the customer, if the client is able to be helped now. And at that point, then we can give you just a ballpark estimate of how long it might take, and also let you know what the total cost would be if we were successful in removing the derogatories from your credit report.
Right, and how soon should a person get started?
Well, the person should get started now. In fact, if you haven't got started yet, you need to get on the phone and call us because you don't want to wait. You do not want to wait until you need your credit to start working on your credit, because the process can take anywhere from 45 days to 12 months, depending on the severity of the damage to the credit report. And you want to have your credit lined up and ready to serve you when you need it. I have clients that come to me, because we work with a lot of loan officers and real estate agents, and they refer to me and they come to me, they're excited. And when they ask me how long it's going to take, I sit down with them and I tell them, well, it's going to take 3 to 6 months in some cases, other cases less and more. But what they say, but I want to buy that house now. Please don't find yourself in that situation. Call us up. Get a free credit consultation, especially if you're looking to purchase a home. Also, business owners too, you need to do this too as well. Take advantage of our expertise. We're here to serve you.
You have shared so much information, and some viewers may feel overwhelmed or feel that it's very complicated. They may feel that they need an attorney. Do we need an attorney?
Well, the truth of the matter is this: 95% of our clients do not need an attorney. So why incur the cost? And after the free evaluation, if we determine that you should talk to an attorney, then at that point we have a network of attorneys that we can refer you to.
Okay, some viewers are also mortgage professionals, real estate professionals, and they may want to refer their clients to you. Can they do that?
Yeah, absolutely. As I mentioned before, we work with a lot of real estate professionals, also mortgage professionals too as well, some attorneys and also some accountants. And they love our pricing model because the client, look, we've heard many horror stories about credit risk, a repair. I'm not going to even try to step over that. But they love our pricing model because the client pays for results. Okay, we deliver the results, then they pay for it. Everybody's happy. It has integrity. Our program has integrity. And on top of that, we provide them with, we teach them about credit. No other company, credit repair company, has the education that we have because we look to empower you so you don't have to come back to us. And some people tell me, well, listen, Armando, well, then you're killing off your own market. Unfortunately, I really doubt that's going to happen. The way that the credit industry is getting more stringent and the economy is getting, our service is always going to be needed.
You have shared such valuable information that I'm sure our viewers will take advantage of. And I want to ask you, do you have any other final comments that you want to say to our viewers?
Well, yes, I just need to reiterate that call us now. Get started on your credit now, not when you need it, because when you need it, you won't be able to use it. It won't be accessible to you. And I'm talking about people that are looking to buy a home, people that are looking to refinance. Before you buy a home, you need to call us first so we can evaluate your credit, okay? Address that issue first, okay? Most people do it backwards. If you're looking to refinance and you can't refinance, you have to call us up and we just sit down and take a look at your credit. If you're a business owner, you know that what you have to do is call us. I mean, you can't do nothing. You can't grow your business and you can't expand your business. You can't even start a business if you don't have good consumer personal credit. So give us a call. Empire Credit Restoration. Empower your credit, empower your life.
Thank you so much, Armando. Thank you so much. And thank you to our viewers. Until next time.